Hi guys, we are going to Golconda Fort. There is the auto right now. Booked an Uber. We will be reaching there in no time. Inshallah.
Hold up.
Hello guys, now we have reached Golconda Fort. Okay, you tell no? Guys, now we have reached Golconda Fort.
Sure.
This is very big fort, guys.
This is built by Nizam in 16th century. Yes.
Okay.
How do you know 16th century?
We will be checking every structure step by step.
Here and speciality is if you talk from one side, you can hear the other side. We will experiment that.
Everywhere we can hear like that.
You know that song.
Echo.
You know that song Adele, Hello from the Other Side?
Yes.
She got inspired from here when she visited Golconda Fort.
Oh, okay.
Okay guys,
I am chulkili.
let's explore.
Okay. Come on, guys.
Can you show me your cooling glasses?
This is the Golconda Fort guide map. No need. Guys, this is Golconda Fort. This is not Golconda Fort. Okay, this is entrance of Golconda Fort.
This is just This is
Throne of King.
We are at the entrance.
Yes.
We are going inside.
He's my friend here.
This is the entrance. Very good entrance, guys.
what man? This is so.
What a fort! Like in Assassin's Creed. Guys, this is very good, guys, because they are keeping historical structures like as it is, so we can know more about history and everything.
Here the first murder of Golconda took place.
Yeah.
Yes. Small Devi brings. Here the first murder of Golconda took place. Here they will bring small monkeys and torture them. Here,
Okay.
here, show here. Here in this place, 2 monkeys were killed. See blood. There.
Okay.
It's there. It's not seen. It's there.
Invisible monkeys.
Yes.
Only in Hyderabad you will find.
In this whole trip,
Hyderabad
Fadil will be our guide.
Hyderabad special.
He knows
monkey.
more history than. Guys, this is that what said there.
I don't know, it is closed because everyone was doing, Adipoli things there.
Oh, crazy.
Yes.
Guys, this is such an architectural brilliance that we are seeing
Yeah.
right now.
This stone.
This is beyond imagination, right, Fazil?
Yes.
This stone
Because-
is from the real stone of.
I am proud of my country now because
This shows
they are
how rich our country is
yeah
architecturally,
This is the real
knowledge-wise.
and saving the historical places.
We are so happy to be witnessing such.
This way from
This is a stone made of stones. It was made in the 16th century.
What is this?
That guy with
This is steel on stone.
that guy with gun is like, don't come here. He's like, go there.
Excuse me.
This special.
Come here, my friend.
Wait.
This is the real place for the kuri mandi to cook. Here
Swagatam.
only.
Hello guys.
This place.
Molaga
Here
podi.
they will put uppu, molaga podi, inji oru veluthulli, തക്കാളി, ഉള്ളി.
Aman, tell some history about this place.
This history is stone built century this.
Come here. I will show something. Show something really interesting. Come with me.
Okay.
You see this? Do you see this?
Yes.
It was, you see the white paint? You know how they made it?
How?
Is that Taj Mahal? From there they teleported from the wall and they extracted the white paint, and then they put here.
Okay.
False information, guys.
No! How dare you? Keralite?
This stone is made by hand. They will use hand to break. He will hit and break with hand.
Why is holding guns?
This is the special art of the Hyderabad.
This is 16th century grass.
Still growing.
No, Nizam and his friends, on Sunday they used to play football. Nizam, right, and his friends, they used to come and practice here.
That is the
Football was invented here.
That is the goal post. They will shoot inside that white. That is the goal.
So, and you know how FIFA came? You know that up part is Fi, and this down part is Fa. That's how FIFA was created.
Okay.
That is, after they played football there, can you show? After that, Nizam and his friends used to come here and do barbecue. Chimney, and then there is a systematic way of 16th century. Where
Full technology. They were living far more ahead than us.
like the more the future, people are becoming dumber. That is the reality of life.
That is reality.
Yes.
You can go there, but problem is spider.
Fahim, what was your experience first to see?
We didn't finish. We have gone. Come.
Okay. This is the roof.
Nizam used to teach LKG, UKG students here.
See, come alphabets and everything. He was a very educated person and he believed in education.
Okay.
Yeah. See, they didn't have books and stuff, and yet he was so dedicated to education.
They knew about this Lauchina.
That is the truth.
His wife.
This name Sanju.
He had all his wives this one.
Samrita, Sanjita, Managita.
Sanjay that he did name here Sanju.
Come here. His one wife's name was Mr.
Even our all names Nizam actually.
My name is Fafil Nizam. Hi.
You're all Nizam actually.
We are all the children of Nizam.
Come on, Nizam Khan.
Nizam owns everyone.
My father name Nizam.
Why are we climbing like this?
My mother name
No
was
lift.
No, Nizam didn't believe in, he believed in fitness.
साहब आगे यहाँ से नहीं है चढ़ने का ये कुछ नहीं है वहाँ से चढ़ने का Move, Nizam boy is there.
He's purposely trying to hide me.
Pick up from
This is Nizam's
Keep number for
mobile number. If
Nizam
any
boy.
problem in the fort, you can call
It
him.
was his peon. His peon name was Boy.
This was his son. He was peon.
No. You know how he came up with this name, Boy? He saw, it's like, what are you, girl or boy? He said, I'm Boy. Your name is Boy.
Actually, he is Nizam. He didn't show to other world.
Actually, peon was also Nizam. He himself was his own peon. He was so great.
He used to say, hey, do that work. Then he used to go other side. Yes, sir. And he
was little mental handicap.
just tiring him.
Oh, water inside.
This also made specially by Nizam.
Guys, why are we climbing?
See the problem.
We can see it from here only, no?
If you're a true Nizam fan, you will climb.
Okay.
No, change your Nizam bro, not youngster. Now, I'll give you some explanation of the tiles. This 16th century concrete tiles. You know why is it so small?
Yes.
The reason is because he didn't believe in boasting, big tiles. He was a humble guy. So he
Okay.
made small tiles.
And this big
Even
building,
Lilliput guys can come and enjoy here.
Sanju came
You have to
here
think about everyone,
Yeah.
not just normal people. Lilliput people, what will they do? They need small tiles also.
for
Okay.
big people.
He's a very good guy. He's working for everyone. Very secular.
I can understand.
Look, one stone you pull everything.
See, SRK. Big fan of Nizam. Lokesh also.
Who is Lokesh?
Malayalam.
Nizam only.
Yes, everyone is Nizam. Bro.
What a view, guys. This is, from here we can see full Hyderabad.
Nizam.
Plot is Nizam actually also.
Nizam is Malayali. He's like whenever people are coming to his house, they'll say, hello guys, Swagatam.
happy is Nizam.
Huh? Actually, why I am putting mask, If I remove mask, everybody will know that I am Nizam.
In Benedicta, the fourth and Nizam. That was the only battle Nizam ever lost. And he cried when he... And father Nizam talked to Wazir Nizam. And Wazir Nizam was Abdul Hamid Motopa.
This actually is property of Bangladesh people. Benedicta Ali.
Benedicta the fourth.
Benedicta Fatima.
Come here and now look behind.
Oh, what Hyderabad.
That is my house. It is 5,000 kilometers.
Okay.
From plane we should go here. And there is that purple building. There is this amount.
If we run and jump from here, you can reach there.
Maybe.
If you are full energetic that day.
Yes, I can. I don't know about you guys.
Sorry, I am little fat to do.
No, Nizam, that is why when he used to come to my house for dinner, he used to come like this, run and jump. I
Yeah,
told you right,
Nizam.
he believed in fitness, that's why he didn't put elevator.
He and
That's
Nizam were childhood friends.
Yes.
Same tape bond them.
Yes.
Almana Hospital.
His name was
Here behind Askandam.
Here only.
Nizam actually born in Afghan.
Askan best place. That's why Askan also like that, you know, brown color, because he
Yes,
believed
yes.
in
Brown color.
brown color. Yeah.
Natural color. Natural color it is.
How you can judge him?
Jail. Nizam's jail.
He all is for Nizam.
that or non-brown color people inside that jail.
You know that Rakesh and everyone?
Yes.
Whenever he get angry at them, he put in jail.
Okay.
Here Nizam zoo inside. Tiger will be there.
See, Majid was his tiger name.
Guys, here one very good view is there. I will show you. You can see full Hyderabad.
So you see this view, guys. So whenever Nizam failed in his exam, he used to become sad, and then he used to come and stand here and brood about, you know, why
Yes.
he's failing and stuff. And his father Nizam used to get angry and beat him with belts. So it was very sad. So he used to come and enjoy the view so that he feels calm.
Yes.
So calmer than.
Sometimes his mother will say, I will make biryani and she will make dal. So he will get angry and he will cry. And that is tears.
This is the best place for
This is here tear mark. That
becoming.
He's one teardrop like this.
Okay.
is one tear will put rain in village.
You know how
Never flood came and he cried.
he cried a lot
Because
that day. That's why flood came.
mother told I will make biryani and she made idli.
But for Majid, dear biryani every day.
Okay.
Then Majid is cheater of Nizam. He will do cheating. He will say Nizam "Wow," and he will go and bite other people.
Lion will tell Bawa.
Tiger it was. That actually it was lion only. That you see that small, that is the slave of Nizam.
Because they are small, no, that.
He will purposely give color clothes so people should not feel bad. You see that? That is the jungle of Nizam.
Little Majid friends are there.
Their dinosaur also is there.
Yes, dinosaur didn't go extinct inside there.
Like so, such an amazing tiger because he is Nizam tiger. He can cook biryani himself. Crazy.
That is actually Nizam.
Educated tiger.
That is actually Nizam Pan Pichkari. He eats pan and
Listen. You saw the notes we saw the letters. You know why it's like that? Because Nizam used to teach Majid education. Because he believed in education. That's why how Majid knew how to make biryani even though he was tiger.
He was educated tiger.
Majid was the only tiger who can talk in English.
I think Nizam is Malayali.
He
Huh?
is
He is everything.
He pona.
out of everything that information he took. Nizam is Malayali. I feel actually Nizam was bilingual. He will know all language.
सब निजाम कहते हैं इसका कुतुब शाही
नहीं किसी और का एक बात then Nizam which will come to eat you in the night.
You tell to babies in Hyderabad that.
सो जा बेटा सो जा वरना Nizam which आ जाएगा. Yes, then baby will sleep.
अब्दुल्ला कुतुब शाह कौन बोला रे?
Guys, this is a Persian inscription.
As I told you, Nizam owns everything.
Yes.
So, even though it is written during the reign of Abdullah Qutub Shah, that is Nizam. Understand that.
Okay.
His nickname.
You cannot make fun of that.
This Johnny Depp boy.
This stone also he made by himself. Majid helped later. Because they're educated, no?
Read this.
Actually in Urdu it is saying that
I wish I knew all those shit.
नहीं मेरे को आती नहीं
ये अरबिक को बस कर रहा है
दौलत Yeah.
नहीं रुक
रहे
वो क्या पहला वर्ड क्या वरात
फिर वो दौलत है
ये दौलत है उससे पहले
या
क्या
In memory of Majid the Tiger.
हिशा जुमा
टाइगर माजिद द टाइगर वाज वेरी एजुकेटेड
हिशा जुमा मुल्क एक
and you know Majid Deer biryani that is the actual biryani recipe people use
each word I will translate for people special understanding Malayalam.
today his mother was making Majid biryani but we skipped
ഇഞ്ചി ഉള്ളി ഉപ്പ്
മുളക് പൊടി
തക്കാളി മുളകപ്പൊടി
ഹൈദരാബാദ്
അപ്പോൾ let's go.
what do you see when you see this
Oh,
You see like
Cinderella.
you see eternity.
no this Majid right
Huh.
as I told you he was educated Nizam is like when Majid was getting married Nizam said bro mahar is important or else finish scene so he made chappal for the wife
With rose.
yeah so educated that's why Majid appreciation thumbs up for Majid
Now I am inspired from Majid.
and then she got impressed she made shoes for Majid
Okay.
very cool shoes its name is
Majid.
swoosh because you know swoosh they did in honeymoon.
Tiger.
and you know which color was Majid
Yes.
Majid was multicolor because his mother was chameleon father was tiger so
Okay.
he had all colors he can change any color he wants this is Nizam Zamzam Nizam Zam this is Nizam Zam model
Okay.
Nizam Zam
After marriage, they started chappal factory.
But it is beautiful.
Yes, it's very beautiful. I am proud of India because they are
We are
keeping.
unified by our diversity,
Yes, and
at least through our history, right?
yes, at least and they are keeping the history as it is to show,
Great thing to behold.
to show, to teach.
To reflect
Yes,
how we came.
yes, yes.
see this building this is MP hall
Multi-purpose hall.
yes
Here
he
always
used to do all kind of stuff
Nizam will do speech and he will do attendance this attendance this attention stand
then after that he will give them with Nizam Zam water
Nizam
Wait, I also want to know. What a view, guys. എടാ നമ്മളെല്ലാരും കൂടി ഇവിടെ നിന്നുകൊണ്ട് നല്ലൊരു ഫോട്ടോ എടുക്കണം.
people go from India who are playing late.
then Shiaz sir was pinching
Shah sir was teaching economics.
actually Shiaz sir is Nizam
then Chachanta sir is Akil अरे रफी किधर खेल रहा तू
Pahim
Now we are going inside multi-purpose hall.
of
Please do not litter and do not spit here. It's
Okay.
not safe for human body
Okay.
because it is risky for us.
just take my video this is Nizam he used to walk like this because he liked you know the view
Okay.
so you know who created moonwalk Nizam
Oh.
he did stage moonwalk can you imagine what a legacy
Because with
what a
stage-
legacy
Without stairs we cannot get to moon.
yes just see the wisdom behind this great man Michael Jackson when he visited Hyderabad no that's how he got the inspiration for moonwalk
Okay.
and then he changed his name to he was actually Majid
This is the topmost part. Mohsin, is this the topmost part?
yes
Topmost?
this is yes the top most
From here we can touch the moon. Guys, this is the special dance of Hyderabad. It is only performed by professionals of Nizam College. Little violent dance. This is violent dance. Sometime injury will happen.
Okay.
Narena.
Oh,
song
Tanani
specially sung by
Nane
Nizam.
Nani Nanano.
Hi, my name is Mohsen. Swagatam. Hello guys. Today we are
Today we are
eating nehari pie.
Aye.
specially
And
made
then at
from
night we'll go to Shag House. We'll eat mutton biryani and chicken 65.
Muttu.
Appu, let's go!
Okay.
What?
Let's go!
Apple.
Appu, let's go!
Apple, let's go. What are you eating?
Appo.
Appu, let's go!
Sohail, what are we eating?
So here, chicken leg piece.
Chicken leg pizza. Swagatam. Hello.
Now we are leaving Golconda Fort.
This is the home of
What is your first experience?
My experience says that Nizam is, Majid inspired me a lot to study. I was like not motivated to study, but this educated tiger called Majid of Nizam is beautiful, bro. I saw his historical artifacts
Wow.
and I became inspired.
Just wow, right?
overall, it was a very good experience, but I would say it could be better.
Okay.
I give it a 3.5 out of 5.
See. That is magic.
Appo.
Fahim, your first experience?
This is a very good fort, guys. MashaAllah, tabarakallah. Wait, how to put ulta? Okay, no problem.
Fort I have shown. You say about it.
Experience, too much climbing because Majid Al-Arari Nizam was a fitness freak. He put us everyone in danger. Rafi full 5 kilos corny.
Not 5 kilos.
10.
Now I need to drink karimbu juice and
Oh yes, here Hyderabad special karim juice is there.
Here
What they put?
Here karim juice not made of karim. Karim juice made out of takali.
Rafi, come here, Rafi. On the right. If you go straight down there and go to take a right, there is Majid's birthplace.
yeah.
Yeah, that
You
one.
can go inside that now.
No, that is not Majid. That birthplace is there. Majid's birthplace, nobody's allowed there. So what I was saying was, Majid's food comes to Majid, not the other way. Majid never goes for food. He doesn't need to. Also, we were just discussing, me, Bilal and Aman about we are just are preparing a thesis on Majid for our PhD.
Huh.
Are we going inside?
So,
Not PhD, MHD.
sorry, MHD, Majid HD.
Majid House Department.
Majid HD. So,
Majid 1080p.
he only taught everyone fighting. Master Ugwe,
Yes.
Kung
Kung
Fu
Fu Panda.
Master Ugwe, Master Shifu.
Yes.
All these crazy people, he only taught them Majid arts. Not martial arts. It used to be Majid arts. And then it became martial arts through time. People change name.
Majid is the martial law, no?
Okay.
Majid is the sensei of Madara.
No,
Master
only I
Ugwe
am
came to Hyderabad to learn Majid
This
arts.
is, guys, this is Ramadas prison. Here is the history behind. We are entering prison. Only one gate in this whole prison.
And this is made up of
If you eat Snickers, you can escape. Because
വിശന്നാൽ നിങ്ങളല്ലാതെയാവും.
because Snickers break the thunder. Is the thunder to break the thunder?
So this will be the winding up of the video.
Guys, please listen to me. Please
Like, share,
subscribe and like to
Hit
him.
that notification bell for daily updates. If you don't hit, I will hit your boom boom.
Don't listen to other people.
Let
They
us
are
reach
the
1 lakh subscribers.
Don't watch
this
other-
to 2021.
other channel.
Okay.
Don't watch. It is fake.
This way, guys. Okay, bye.
we are authentic.
Guys, we found a man stealing grass from Golconda Fort.
That is not grass.
Then
That is 420 marijuana, weed,
okay.
devil's lettuce,
Uh.
full batting.
Guys, this you should reach to the government authorities and make
Jail for 100 billion crore years.
yes.
Guys, this is Golconda Fort and I am trying a jump here. Don't try this at home, school or anywhere else.
Okay.
Stunts. Wait. Anywhere else. Only these two experts can do this.
This is like a tunnel path, but we can exit from anywhere.